Today, we are going to see the programs of insertion in a linear list, in a single dimensional list, not in the two dimensional. So, first we will see what is the actually the program, what is the problem, and how it will going to be solved through the graphics. Suppose the figure 1, this is a list, fine, and list is sorted in an ascending order. Now with element to be inserted 44, fine. So if I have to, in a sorted manner, I have to insert the element 44, then I have to make the space over here in place of 55 and others should be shifted backwards. For that, what required? I have to require one blank space. So what I have to do at the end? I have created one blank space. After creating the blank space, 99, 88, 77, 66, 55 has been shifted, and after 33 the space is going to be created for the 44 and 44 is going to be inserted. This has to be done. So what is the list is in ascending order. I have to insert the 44. Now for that, what I have 44 will come after the 33. I have to shift the elements and make the space for 44. So I have created one blank space at the end, and after creating the blank space I have shifted the elements, and 44 according to the order I have inserted the 44. So this is the program. Now how we will going to do it? See this one. It is looks like a very tough program, but Python is a very advanced programming language. Here one thing is there, one module is there. Already we know about the module where some predefined functions and thing will be written over there. So I have import one module that called bisect. Now what I have done, I have declared a list and I have initialized the value, and once again I print the list, fine. Now I have taken input from the user, means which element to be inserted, fine. After taking the input, what I will do, bisect.insert function, and I pass the list and the item. What it will do, it will find the position of the item where is to be index of the proper index where the item should be inserted, and it will going to be inserted over there. What is the function dot function is for the bisect.insert? It will find the exact location. It will find the exact location where it should be inserted, and in that particular index things will be inserted over there. So what is going to be happen? 22, 33, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99 is the element. I want to insert the 44. So what it will do? Not only it will going to create the space at the end, it will find the subscript or the index, and according to that it will going to be inserted over there. Now there is a problem for the bisect. What is the bisect.insert? There is a problem. It is work with the ascending order list. If it is a descending order, then we have to use any other thing. No, this will be work, but we have to take some different measures. What I have done, see this one. I have taken the list in the descending order. I print the list, fine. I take the input of the element what has to be inserted over there. Now what I will do, I will reverse the string. After reversing, once I print that one, now I have, after reversing, I have inserted the elements. Means if it is an ascending descending order list, and if I reverse this one, what is going to be happen? It will become an ascending order list. Descending order, the list has been organized in a descending order. I have reversed that one. It will be in the ascending order, and when it will ascending order, I have inserted the element by using the bisect.insert. After insertion, What I have done, once again I have reversed. So what will going to happen? Once again it will be in the descending order and things will be in the proper way. So what happens? This is the first list. I have taken the element. I have make it in ascending order. After that I have inserted the element and once again I have make it in the descending order. Thank you very much.